This is the Kenmore indoor grill and panini press, and here's how to take it apart. So first step is to make sure it's unplugged, and then to take off the plates using the buttons on the side. So the top one and the bottom one. Next, we'll begin to unscrew all the screws using a standard Phillips screwdriver. Now that all the screws are out, we can pop out all the clips that hold down the heating element. Now that we're inside, we can start unscrewing this to remove the wires. We will then rotate it to the bottom, remove these two screws, and take out the plate so we can get the electronics out. With the plate removed, we can now access the button to remove all these connections. Also, when it's flipped over, we'll go ahead and remove this back plate too. And next, we will remove the clips that attach to the heating element. To remove this nut, we will use pliers on this side and a screwdriver on the other side. Now we can remove the heating element. Now we can do the same for the top. Like the bottom, we will remove the wires connecting to the heating element. To remove the plastic housing from the hinges, we will use a hex bit and pliers. With the top housing removed, we can now easier access these screws to remove the whole hinge handle assembly. With the hinge handle removed, we can now further disassemble it by taking out these screws. Now we have the handle, hinges, and attachment points all taken apart. We can focus our attention back to removing the rest of the electronics. All we have to do is unscrew these two screws, undo the connectors, and then feed the wires through the holes. Now that everything's detached, we can remove the wiring and switch assembly. We have finished disassembling the major pieces and parts of the Kenmore indoor grill and panini press. So I have the top plate, the bottom assembly, the switch and electronics, the power cord, handle, hinge assemblies, the heat shields, top and bottom, the heating elements, the fasteners, clips, the control knob, the bottom base plate coverage, and the actual grills themselves. There you go. Here's the fully disassembled product with all the tools laid out and the parts laid out.